What's the meaning of accomplishment? Accomplishment. 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 An accomplishment is something that has been achieved through effort and dedication. It can be a small or large achievement, but it is something that the individual is proud of. Accomplishments can be personal, professional, or academic. They can be anything from learning a new skill to completing a marathon. The result of an accomplishment is a feeling of satisfaction and pride. It is a reminder of what the individual is capable of, and it motivates them to continue striving for their goals. Here are some examples of accomplishments. Learning a new language, completing a marathon, writing a book, starting a business, getting a promotion, raising a family. Accomplishments can be big or small, but they all represent a significant achievement. They are a source of pride and motivation, and they help us to grow and learn as individuals.